limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have an NHL hat. And there it is, the Boston Bruins. This is a rare cap style, color-wise. I'm talking about. You do not see this green in like a heather black, heather gray. I would say heather black. Bruins are one of the original teams in the NHL, and they have won, let's just say, a few Stanley Cups. They are just a very successful team and franchise, especially over the last 10 years from the production of this video. Let's take a look at some up-close shots. The classic B right there, Bruins 7.5. We're going to call this the Lucky Leaf, and you'll see why in a second. Cap is made up of 80% acrylic and 20% wool. You do not see that combination. You do not see acrylic on a New Era hat very often from a material standpoint. There's the NHL badge right there. And 20% wool. So this is more of a heavier type of cap. I feel like this would not be a great choice to wear on a hot day. Perfect for cooler fall or winter, especially if you're a Bruins fan. You get that cold air during the winter time and the fall. It's a lucky. I said lucky leaf, but quite frankly, that's not a leaf. That's a clover. So we'll call this the Boston Bruins lucky, although they were not lucky in 2023 at the end, that's for sure. Okay, we'll digress from that, but there's the luck of the Irish. Boston. This is just simply a clover, and it represents the leprechaun and all that. Their tradition of Boston sports, Celtics, Bruins, all that. They got that going on over there. Just that little bit of a side angle right there. It's just a very solid, beautiful cap. One of a kind, really. You do not see this anywhere. Side shot, NHL. And there you can see 80% acrylic, 20% wool. And this one was made in China. 7.5. Guts, Glory, New Era 5950. And you got a gray UV on this bad boy. What do you think? Like it or love it, hate it or dislike it? It's definitely a different cap. It is not your average Boston Bruins black and yellow or black hat. I like the pizzazz with the clover. I think it's a little bit different. A little bit different can be good, but yeah, and subtle as well. It's not too loud, but really, it's just an opinion. Everybody can have a different take on this cap. If you like to purchase hats like these and NHL hats, New Era variety, very rare. Description, you want to take a look. Free shipping USA. Subscribe if you like this content. More NHL caps on the way. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful evening. See you later.